What's happening? Boom. Down the middle. 4 sections. Guideline, take his graduation. Point cut like fuck. Choppy. 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 Bang that off. Flip the disconnect the sections out of the way. Guideline taking a crown. Elevate straight up to fuck. Point cut. Choppy. More point cutting. Choppy. Bang it out around the head. Point cut the graduation. Choppy. Over direct the sides. Point cut. Choppy. Check the balance. Triangle fringe, and then dry that bad boy. Deep point cutting for texture. Choppy. Slice them, disconnect the sections out. Over direct the hair at the front. Blend that bad boy in. More point cutting for texture. Choppy. Break up with them ends. Check out YouTube for more serious videos. Check out YouTube for more full-length serious videos. Peace!